In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule email campaigns in Klaviyo. If you've ever found yourself needing to streamline your marketing efforts and reach your audience effectively, then crafting and scheduling email campaigns can be a real game changer. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to Klaviyo's website, enter your login credentials, and make sure you land on the dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and find the Campaigns tab. This will be your hub for creating and managing email campaigns. Next, you'll want to create a new campaign, which is seamlessly done by clicking the Create Campaign button. You will then be prompted to choose your campaign type. Klaviyo supports a variety of options including email and SMS, among others. Make your selection, click Continue, and you're on your way to crafting a targeted message. The next step is crucial. It's about choosing who will receive your campaign. Select a list or segment that best aligns with your goals and click Next to proceed. This ensures your message is reaching the right audience. Now it's time to add some key details to your campaign, such as the name, subject line, and from name. These elements are critical as they determine how your message will appear in your audience's inbox. Moving forward, you need to choose or create an email template. Klaviyo offers a multitude of pre-built templates which you can use to save time. You also have the option to build a completely custom template using the drag and drop editor if you really want your campaign to stand out. If you decide on a pre-built template, simply click Use Template to continue. Once you've got your template sorted, it's time to customize your content. This is where you can modify text, add images, and incorporate your call to action buttons to ensure your email is engaging and visually appealing. With your content fully customized, you're ready to click Next. It's now time to finesse one of the most important elements of your email, the subject line. Under Create a new subject line, add a new engaging subject that's different from the first one you used. This change can significantly enhance open rates, so make it compelling. Before you schedule your campaign, there's an essential final step: sending a test email. This allows you to catch any mistakes and see your campaign through the eyes of your audience. Simply click the Preview and Test button, enter your email address, and hit Send. Once you're satisfied with everything, the moment has come to schedule or send your campaign. This is the culmination of all your hard work, and your campaign is now ready to connect with your audience at the perfect time. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in scheduling email campaigns in Klaviyo. Thanks so much for watching, and best of luck with your campaigns.